All right, cocoon from a single footlock. You're going to spread the fabric, slide the hand up, foot through the center, elbow forward. Face the fabric. You're going to bring the hands to the back fabric, and you're going to spread the fabric apart with the ends. Pressing down firmly with that foot lock, the foot with the single foot lock. You're going to push the bottom back as you spread that fabric and have a sit. Keep the knees tucked. Lift that loose foot up towards the knot. Now you can stay there, or you can encase the knees with the front fabric to create your full cocoon. When you're ready, you can grab the ends of the fabric and put the ends together. When you're ready to come out, you're going to grab the fabric in the front and exhale to stand as you push that leg straight to stand. Now you're going to just bring that hand back neutral and always return back to your flying hollow body. This is your cocoon in a single footlock. All right, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to get the newest updates.